If you are looking for a way to move product without having to stock up on a bunch of new fragrance oils, why not try bundling multiple things into matching fragrance sets? I'm Maddie, and I'm about to show you guys how you can use one fragrance for 2 products. And the best part, all of the ingredients I'm using came straight from our web store. Here's how to get the best of both a candle and a room spray using our bases and a comparable version of the fragrance Midnight Blue Citrus by Bath & Body Works. So let's start with the candles since it'll take a little longer to prep. Container candles are always a hit with them making up the vast majority of candle sales in the USA. Choose vessels that are a sturdy representative of your brand. You don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to picking jars. Sometimes the simpler the better. That being said, the shape, color, and texture of your jars speak louder than words in terms of brand aesthetic. For a minimal, tidy look, I grabbed a clear, straight wall jar. I have our premium Parasoy 6600 wax melting in a double boiler right now. This is a versatile single pour wax with a great color payoff. If you color your candle wax and want dyes to pop, we highly recommend using a Parasoy blend. And with a fragrance load of 10%, you can make some seriously strong candles. That being said, now that it's hit 185 degrees, I went ahead and took it off the heat so it can cool just a bit before adding in our fragrance and some blue candle dye. Our version of Bath & Body Works Midnight Blue Citrus fragrance is bright and tropical, but still very clean. I'm using it at a 6% load in my candle, and with the wax at 175 degrees, I can pour it in and stir. I'm doing so gently but thoroughly. You want to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the wax, but don't risk making any air bubbles that will appear on the surface of the candle. As the temperature drops by another 10 degrees, I can fill my jar. So while that cools, let's go ahead and make our room spray. Air fresheners and linen sprays couldn't be easier to make with our base. It's water-based, VOC, and Prop 65 free. All you need to do is combine it with your fragrance, stir, and fill a spray bottle. The result is a strong scented spray that won't leave oil stains on surfaces. So with our candle and our room spray done, you've just made yourself a simple gift set that will keep any room in the house smelling fresh and fragrant. Sell them individually or bundle them up so your customers can get the most out of your products. If you have any other questions about our premium wax and bases, let me know down in the comment section below or reach out to us via phone or email. Join the Fragrance Fam by subscribing to our channel so you can keep up with the AFI updates like featured fragrances, $1,000 giveaways, and product drops. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye guys!